What's up guys, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to fulfill an order in Shopify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So how to fulfill an order in Shopify. So let's say you got an order in your Shopify web online page and you want to fulfill it. So how to do it? So basically, if you're setting up a fulfillment, you need to choose a fulfillment method. When adding a product to your store, you'll be prompted to choose a fulfillment method, meaning you can choose a different method for each product you sell. Choose to fulfill your orders manually or automatically. The setting applies to all fulfillment methods, so you are having manual and automatic fulfillment. So the fulfillment process, so basically you need to navigate to your Shopify admin, then go to the orders. Click the order number and an unfulfilled order. Click mark as fulfilled and enter the tracking number from your shipping provider. Select your shipping carrier from the drop-down menu, then select send shipment details to your customer now. Click fulfill items to mark the order as fulfilled. So if you want to fulfill part of an order manually, basically you need to navigate to your Shopify admin, then go to orders. Click the number of an unfulfilled order and click mark as fulfilled. From the fulfillment page, change the number of products that you want to fulfill for each line item in the items section. Enter the tracking number from your shipping provider in the tracking info section. Select your shipping carrier from the drop-down menu, then select send shipment details to your customer now. Then basically click fulfill items, and that's the entirety of the process. So how to fulfill in the multiple locations. So again, go to Shopify admin and orders, click the order number of an unfulfilled orders. So set mark as fulfilled and enter the tracking number for your shipping provider. Select your shipping carrier from the drop-down menu and select send shipment details to your customer. Now only available if you have an email address for the customer file, and click fulfill items to mark the order fulfilled. So it's not the easiest process, but again, it's not that hard. You're having fulfillment automation apps like legacy workflow, new workflow. So basically you can also use some third-party options for fulfilling your orders. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.